Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and with new Android 4.4 KitKat, you can print. You can send stuff directly to your printer. I happen to have two printers here in my office, and as long as you're on the same network, there's native printing right here in Android 4.4. So, I've got the Nexus 5 here. We're going to show you how it's done. It's very simple. There's actually no setup whatsoever to do. It all happens automatically. Now you go into your settings, go all the way to the bottom, and you will see printing. So go ahead and select that. Now automatically they're going to be on. Now when I first got my Nexus 5, the HP Print Service plugin needed to be updated, so make sure you have it updated, because if it's not, it may not see your printers. You go in and, well, it may see the printers, but it still won't work. So that is one of the problems that you might have. But once you update it, it works great. You can turn off the plug-in here, but once you've turned it on, it's going to go ahead and find the printers. And as long as it's an HP printer, you are all set. As long as it's the ePrint, actually neither of these are an ePrint, but as long as they're Wi-Fi, it should work. Now, you can also set up your cloud printing. If you already have a cloud printer, you can see there's a lot of devices here, but really that's the cloud print, because I have a lot of devices set up. So that printer, which happens to be one of them, is set up on the cloud as well. So now, how do you print? Well, there's a variety of ways. Eventually developers will add in this option in their apps, but right off the bat, out of the box, shall we say, you can use Drive, you can use the gallery, and you can use it in Chrome. But let's just go into Drive for a second. Now, in Drive, you won't actually open up the app, or open up the document, I mean. So you actually long press on it, and you'll get an option to print. And right away, it's going to print. Or actually, it's not going to print. It's going to have my selection here. I can select from my printers, from the service plugin or my cloud print. Right now I'm going to print it to one of the printers here, and then I can choose copies, letter, portrait, color, and all pages. I'm going to go ahead and do all pages. So we'll go ahead and hit print here, and bingo, it's starting up. Now while that's printing, I will show you the web. Now let's say you want to do a web page here, and it's perfect for like recipes. So you find a recipe, and now you've got to print it out. So now we're going to print it, and in order to do that, just go into the menu here, and you'll see an option to print. You can go ahead here and select again the same options, switch printers, do whatever you want. I am going to go ahead and say only a range here for pages to show you. So we'll just say one page. And after we've done that, we'll just go ahead and tap on print. Of course, I won't get the full recipe, but this gives you an idea. And of course, it's already starting to print, but it's doing its usual printer warm-up. So there you have it. Now how about the gallery? So let's say you've got some pictures. This is always a good thing. You come home, you took a bunch of pictures. So we'll go in here, and this is just a picture of a bunch of KitKat bars I took for some sample test shots for the Nexus 5. So just go in here, go to the menu, and you'll get the print option right here. Now with this particular one, I'm going to actually switch printers because I have a 4x6 print paper already installed on the Photo Smart here, and we'll go ahead and select that. And right away when I selected it, actually lit up there on the screen. That wasn't you didn't catch that, but so we'll go ahead and we're going to actually have to change this to 4x6, and orientation landscape is fine. Color, now this photo really isn't a 4x6 shape, but we'll see. We'll let it come out and print, so we'll go ahead and send it to the printer. So right away, it's going ahead and printing it out. And like I said, you can choose cloud print. That works fine as well. I've done them all, and it just works really well. Of course, you know, you may not find a lot of opportunity to do this with your phone or tablet, but you may find that when you have the option ready to go, that you may need it more than you realized you did before. It actually takes longer for these printers to warm up than actually sending the information to them. So there you have it. It's printed. And now, this looks like garbage, doesn't it? Well, unfortunately, Google can't control your inks. I use this printer very rarely, so that's how it looks when you have lousy ink, but it does work. Printer cartridges not included with Android 4.4, but it does work, as you can see. So that is it. So thanks for watching. That's how you print on Android 4.4.